Hi friends, good day and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today we're going to learn how to use the formula function sequence. This function is useful when you want to kind of arrange a large data set in a table format or in rows and columns. I think that's where really its power is at play. So we'll go ahead and quickly get started on this. How to identify it is pretty straightforward. You type in equal to sequence. If you need 1,000 rows, you're just going to put in 1,000 and close the bracket. And there you are. In a second, you are down to 1,000 rows all populated in the order. Now, there are multiple variants as well to it. Now, I'm going to kind of simplify this for the screen. If you want a 10 by 10 over here, that's how you get it. 10 rows of 10 each. Now we're going to go a little further. I wanted to start at 10 or let's say 5 with an increment of 1 in there. Then you see it going up by 1. But if you want it to increment by 5, and there you are, right? So this is how you can go about it. You can use it in various other combinations as well, be it in terms of date, currency, numbers, and any other mechanism over there. So that's how you use the sequence formula. I do hope you found this useful and see you again next week. Thank you. Take care.